What's up, everyone? Hope you had a fantastic day. I did not get to put out as many videos as I wanted to today. Tons of stuff to talk about. I just was insanely busy. But there are some exciting bullish things that are playing out right now that I think people need to be aware of. And it may be the perfect setup for a nice explosive weekend for Shiba Inu and the broader crypto market as a whole. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first and foremost, institutional money, not really doing a whole lot right now. That's kind of exciting. It kind of is a throwback to what we've experienced in cycles past, where we are not seeing, a swayed one way or the other because of the big entities in the space. Specifically speaking, Grayscale has not been dumping these large amounts of Bitcoin like we've been trying to absorb the first quarter of this year. So this is very exciting. We had multiple positive days or at least zero flow days for Grayscale. That's a great sign moving forward, and hopefully this is a consistent theme. Now, secondly, we are dealing with some call and put option expirations tomorrow. These are weekly. My wife was calling me. We had some weekly expirations that are coming up tomorrow. And the interesting thing about this is it's almost like the shorts were not prepared for us to be where we're at in the market right now. Now, the reason why I say that is when we look at these call and put options, there was actually a 20% more volume to the call side than there is the put side. So right now we're actually seeing the bulls be more positive about the market than the bears are being bearish about the market. Hopefully that's making sense. And what that means is that we may not have this big execution that essentially pushes the market to the downside tomorrow. That's something to pay attention to. Now, the last thing I want to mention is I don't know if anybody has looked at a Bitcoin liquidation heat map right now, but the shorts are pushing extremely hard to try to get the market to drop. All right, between here and 72,000, there's 11.46 billion Bitcoin short positions that would be liquidated. From here only down to $56,000 in terms of BTC price, there's only $3.5 billion in long liquidation. So right now, what's happening is the shorts are trying way too hard to push the market down. And what we've seen throughout history, what we've seen time and time again is when this happens one way or the other, when either the longs try to push too hard or the shorts try to push too hard, they get hit with, a short squeeze, right? Or leverage squeeze. And that's what it looks like we may be setting up for. With these things taking place, how they have been, and take into account the fact that, Friday tends to be a weekday in terms of institutional money, this may be where the market takes a nice little step forward. Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. This is just a lot of these possible signs, if they play out right, for us to have a good weekend, a good surge in terms of shib price, getting us to not knock off zeros, but to move back up through some of these resistance levels, maybe take a stab at 4025, 4026, that'd be great. But, as always, this is not a guarantee. There's a lot of things that can happen. Fridays tend to be unpredictable. Sometimes weekends we'll get some excitement, we'll get some building, retail gets excited, pushes the price up. Sometimes we take a look at what happened this last weekend, it just craps the bed. So my question to you guys is, what do you think is going to happen? What are you taking away from all these different signs? But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Have a great day. Catch you in the next one. Take care.